So it's 9 o'clock, rush hour, and we're at one of London's busiest stations, King's Cross St Pancras. But it's pretty dead. Where are all the workers? So where are all the software engineers, designers, and testers? It seems like most professionals and their organizations are still choosing to work from home. Now, it used to be the case that the best people would come from all around the world to work in our cities. London, New York, San Francisco. But these days, all that's changed. But along with that, your company also has the power to hire from anywhere in the world. So with all the professionals working remotely, perhaps you should be looking to staff your company with the best quality and value employees from around the world. And here in South America, we have lots of experienced software engineers, designers, all of whom speak English, and many of whom would love to work for your company. And with the current exchange rates from the dollar or the pound to the real, that means you can hire about 3 or 4 software developers for the price of a single engineer in the US, UK or Canada. At King's, we've scoured South America for the very best software engineers and testers, and we make it easy for you to hire them legally, full-time, through us.
Let me explain, here it goes, A's for ambition, be what I wanna be, see past the situation that's in front of me, doubt is an enemy.